Wheat flour dominates modern diets, yet its prevalence coincides with a surge in metabolic and gut-related diseases. From bread and pasta to snacks like biscuits and fritters, modern wheat is far removed from its ancient ancestors. Here is why it has become a dietary disaster. Further 1. Addictive and inflammatory properties. Wheat contains gluteomorphins, which trigger opiate-like euphoria in the brain, making it highly addictive. Furthermore, the protein gluten acts as a potent inflammatory agent. It is a primary driver of chronic conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, celiac disease, gastritis, and ulcers, often manifesting as bloating, indigestion, and chronic constipation. 2. Metabolic disruption. Wheat is essentially sugar. It contains amylopectin, a starch that causes rapid glucose spikes. Frequent consumption leads to hyperinsulinemia and insulin resistance, the root of obesity, type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and fatty liver disease. 3. Nutrient blockage and toxicity. Wheat is high in oxalates, which inhibit the absorption of vital minerals like iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, often leading to anemia. Additionally, modern wheat is heavily treated with glyphosate, a carcinogenic herbicide linked to kidney disease and various cancers. 4. The GMO shift, ancient versus modern. The bread, mentioned in historical or biblical texts, was einkorn or emmer wheat. These ancient grains were tall, hardy, and possessed a simple, digestible gluten structure. In the 1940s, hybridization led to the creation of semi-dwarf wheat. While this increased yields tenfold, it introduced a complex gluten structure that the human gut cannot process. Today's wheat is further compromised by bioengineering, which damages mitochondrial DNA, and chemical bleaching processes using chlorine dioxide. The verdict: modern wheat production prioritizes profit over human health. Industry-driven nutritional advice often promotes whole wheat as a health food, ignoring its inflammatory and metabolic consequences. To reclaim your health and avoid the trap of chronic disease, the solution is simple: avoid wheat.